Hello guys, in this short video I will try just to show you when the day is easy. Okay, is easy in day trading. It means you don't think that much, you just wait a little bit, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and we'll see where the day is going, and then you buy, and then you stay, you wait until you see a lot of money, and then you exit. Now for this, I will show you, for example, Facebook for the 2nd of January, on Wednesday. You look at the chart, okay? Now, as you can see, this is Facebook. It is 135.68. Today, which is December, it goes $4.59. It means 3.50% in one day, okay? Now, let's go to this is a daily thing, a daily candlestick. Now, let's go to the 5 minutes. 5 minutes is very, very interesting. Now, look, this green candlestick is from Monday. It means 31st of December. The 5 minutes, Facebook go down from 129 to 128.56. It means it's just 44 cents going down, okay? And then it goes back, and then here when the thing begins. So from this candlestick, as you can see, okay, it was 130.75. It goes to 136.11. Okay, so here it's nearly $5 and something. It's nearly $5. This is an easy day where when you buy the whole time you are making money without any big deals. Now here we have 11. So from 11.25 it goes down, up more here, 35 to 137. It goes $2 here from 12:30 to 2 o'clock, 1 hour and a half, $2, and then it goes down from 137. It goes down to 135. These $2 are lost, okay? And Facebook is $4.50. Now, for you as a day trader, okay, you don't need to have all these $5. If you get 1, 2, or 3, or 4, whatever you get from the whole thing, this is the best thing you can do. You are not required to begin from this first candlestick and to end here, because you will never know. But the thing is, Facebook is strong. So when it's going up, you see that it is so good. And then here it goes down, and you see that the candlesticks are going down from 136 to 134. So it lost $2. Now, if you make here $2 or $3, you can exit at any time without wasting wasting more from your profits. So, and it depends how many shares you bought. It depends how good you are in the trading. But this is an easy one. Now, if you take, for example, Apple. Let's see Apple, what does it do? Now, Apple did the same as Dow Jones, as the indexes. So we have a gap down, okay? And you see that 5, 10, 15 minutes, it didn't show the 10 minutes first. It didn't show that it is a good day. But from this candlestick, which is at 9:45, things begin to go so good. So from 155 it goes to 158. Okay, so we have $3 here. And understand that Facebook, I see it a lot of times, is stronger and more volatile than Apple. Okay, Facebook is more stronger. And from this time here, the price goes down to 157, then it goes to 158. It's $1, so it's not that big deal. Okay, so at the end it's only 18 cents, because Apple is doing the same, because it is part of the Dow Jones. You can see that Apple is the same as Dow Jones in the way it moves. It's the same. But Facebook is so different. Okay? Instead, Facebook is so strong, and you see that a lot of people are buying, and it goes for $5 from the beginning, just for the 5 minutes down, the 6 minutes it goes, and it is so strong. Okay? So try, those of you guys who are looking for day trade, try to see Facebook. It's very, very strong stock, and it will be very good as for day trading. For those days that go up so strong or go down so strong, this is your opportunity to make money. If you don't make money in these easy days, it's very hard to make money when we have a lot of fluctuations, as I have showed you before. A lot of fluctuations, it's just 1 hour is going up, 1 hour is going down, 1 hour is up, as I showed you before. So it will be very hard for you to adapt very easily for these manipulations. Okay, but sometimes day trading is very good, and it's very easy, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you for other lessons. Thank you.